Um, Hi, thanks for joining us today. I'm Diana with Tap Tail Greenway, and I am conducting a series of interviews for International Day of Women and Girls in Science, which is on February 11th. And today we are here with Celeste Blair, and I had the pleasure of meeting her first last summer for her Scout project. And I will go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hi, thanks for taking the time to talk to me. So, she said, my name's Celeste Blair, um, and I'm the first girl Eagle Scout in our area. And as she said, my contribution to science is that I did my Eagle project on the subject of conservation in our local area.
Oh, excellent. So would you like to expand on that? I mean, I know a little bit about your project, of course, but can you tell us a little bit more about the project that you did?
So, for my project, I've always been interested in conservation and science and nature and all of that. And so I decided I wanted to do something to help the local bee population. And I was able to partner with Taptail Greenway, and I was able to distribute 3,000 marigolds that me and my troop had raised from seed to every home in my neighborhood, along with an informational flyer. And I was and the hope with that is that having all those different flowers in the neighborhood will make it easier for bees to collect pollen and hopefully revive their population a little bit.
Excellent. Yeah, bees are definitely in need of some help. So that was an excellent project. So, and I got to walk around with you a little bit when you were distributing some of the flowers. So it was really nice for people too, because especially since we were in lockdown.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, distribution was the best part, just making people happy.
oh yeah, receive a nice little yellow flower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Especially when everything was just so hard.
Mm,
Then, oh, here's a flower.
yeah, brighten everybody's day. And have you noticed any difference in the bees in the neighborhood
I think it's a little too early to tell because it's winter, but
right now? Yeah.
we have received several emails from people showing us they planted them and they're growing and they had flowers this summer and they'll keep coming back. So
Mhm.
I know they were planted and hopefully they'll start making an impact next year.
Oh yeah, I did notice I had several. I got a few of your plants as well. So yeah, I did have a lot of bees, a little bit more bee activity around the garden. So that was great. Um, so what you're still in school, correct?
Yes,
What's your grade level?
I'm in ninth grade at Three Rivers Home Link.
Okay, excellent. And are you doing any science classes right now?
So this year for my science classes, I'm taking health and geography. But last year and the year before that, I was in our school's advanced STEAM program,
Mm-hmm.
and I was able to do a lot with science and technology and learn a lot there. And they actually encouraged me to make the science project that I won my category in the state science fair with. So that was something that was really cool that my school helped me with.
Oh, great. And what was that project for the science fair?
So for the science fair, I actually um so I had a little help from my troop there as well, and with their help, I took measurements of the CO2 and all the carbon monoxide and whatnot levels that were caused by idling cars around my school, and found a lot of studies, and I proved that it was actually very unhealthy, all the idling cars around the school and how the school pickup line was designed. And I
Mm-hmm.
convinced my principal to put in no idling zone signs. And then for the science fair, I took all my findings and all my records and won first place in my category and an award for best data collection.
Oh, excellent. Awesome. That's great that you were able to do that. And not just to have a project and complete it for classes, but you actually made a physical good change for the school and for the environment.
Hmm. Yeah, it's been really amazing just to be able to go to school and just see that sign like that's going to be their lawn after I'm gone. That's something I did.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I like that. So since the bee project, have you been involved in any other um, similar projects, anything environmentally focused or conservation focused?
So COVID-19 lockdown, it's caused problems. I can't be everywhere once, can't travel. But um, but what I have done is the brother of one of the girls in my troop was doing his Eagle project, also at Taptail Greenway, and me and my troop went out and helped him and with just removing invasive weeds at Leslie Groves Park. And,
Okay. Mhm.
and I also, back in September, me and my troop went up to a BSA camp um, called Camp Baldwin, and we helped with forestry management and helped clear some trees that were diseased and helped clear out a campsite there. So that was fun.
Oh, good. Excellent. Do you have any plans coming up?
Um, Not at the moment, no, but we're always looking for opportunities to do stuff like that. It's one of the things that I really enjoy with my troop. We're always doing projects like that.
Oh, excellent. Um, so are you interested in doing science as a career?
I'm 14,
I
so
know it's kind of
I'm
early.
I'm still I'm there are a lot of things I'm interested in, and through Scouts BSA, I actually have learned a lot about careers I'm interested in.
Hmm.
But I think I am interested in doing science maybe as a career. One of the fields I'm really interested in is the study of marine biology, especially marine mammalogy.
Hmm.
I've always loved the ocean and just being near it, and I've always been really interested in just the animals like whales and sharks and just how they live and how we're affecting them. And that might be a field I go into.
That's a great one. Definitely, yeah, need people in that area. Um, so I have another question for you. Do you have any role models, or who are your role models?
Um, Good question. I There are really a lot of people I look up to and think are amazing. There are just so many inspiring people in my life, and there's also and and not and and that's some and there's also yeah, there's just so many inspiring people in my life or people that are or just or famous scientists that
Mhm.
that I that that I think are awesome or different people mostly in my life though. But yeah, that's I just have so many people I can't pick one.
No, that's fine. um, okay. Well,
But
it
my mom
sounds
is definitely one. My mom is definitely one. She's been she's been really helpful about the whole Scouts VSA thing and the Eagle Project taking over her house and 1,000 marigolds in her backyard. And yeah, that was yeah, she's definitely one. Both my parents, really.
that's good. It's great that you have that immediate support right there. Very good. And it sounds like your troop is very supportive as well and very involved.
My troop has been amazing, very supportive. They helped raise those marigolds, and they with the state science fair they actually took measurements when I was out of town, and all of them have been very supportive. And actually, we my troop and I are actually going to Sea Base in March. It's That's a Scouts BSA owned camp,
Mhm.
and we're going to be doing the Marine STEM program for a week. So tagging sharks in Florida Reef, and that's something I'm looking forward to doing, and that's something I'm looking forward to doing with my troop.
Oh, fun. Can I come with you? Um, that sounds great. That sounds like an awesome project to participate in.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun.
Good. All right. Well, I think that's what we've got for today.
Mhm.
So we'll say thank you so much for joining us and taking the time to meet with us. And we wish,
The opportunity.
yeah, and we wish you all the best in your future science endeavors.
Thank you.
All right. So thanks. Have a great day.
You too.